welcome back to another video in my little wedding series that I've been doing here on my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video and overall my unfinished face makeup, I am going to be practicing my wedding makeup, which I am super excited to do and film it for you guys today. So as you can see, I already have like my foundation and powder and concealers and all that sort of stuff on. I thought about just doing all of that before starting this video because that stuff's like really basic and kind of like I already know I'm going to want to like, you know, put my usual base face makeup on for my wedding day. So, and of course if you've seen my other get ready with me's and other tutorials, you've seen those products and kind of like how I apply all of that and all that sort of good stuff. But obviously I didn't do my eyes or like my other specific face makeup, which is what I'm going to be applying in today's video. So I have no idea, or I guess I kind of have an idea of the look I want to go for, just obviously a little bit more like natural and neutral and more like bridal, if you kind of get what I'm saying. But I have no idea what palettes I want to reach for or what specific colors like for blush and lipsticks that I want to go for. So this is going to be a little bit of an experiment and just kind of practice for the big day. So I'm going to quit talking and just kind of get right into it and we'll see what we come up with. So if you would like to see my possible bridal makeup, then just keep on watching. So real quick, I'm just going to prime my eyes with my e.l.f. eyelid primer. Now we need to figure out what eyeshadows I want to use and also what palette I want to use. I literally, down here, I literally have all of my eyeshadow palettes out just because like I really don't know what I want to use or what kind of like colors or like specific shades that I want to go for. So I basically have them all out here and I'm just going to basically look at all of them side by side and just kind of pick and choose colors that way. So like there are so many colors that like I want to reach for, but I also need to take into account on the day of my wedding, I don't want to have to carry like 5 different palettes with me. I think the first palette that I'm kind of leaning towards is the Blue Blood palette. Now, before you say anything, or I probably know what you're thinking, I'm not going to be doing a blue eye look, but there are 2 colors from the Blue Blood palette, obviously from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, that I'm kind of leaning towards right now. One for my lid and then also one of the crease colors. So the 2 colors that I'm kind of leaning towards is this one up here and then also this one down here. So the first one, I'm kind of leaning towards this color for the lid, and that is in the name Crystal Flesh. I kind of was thinking of a more like neutral, natural color for the lid, but also a little bit of shimmer to it. So I feel like that's a pretty good color for the lid. And then the one down here, this more natural light tan shade, is kind of the first color that I want to put for our crease, or I guess our overall crease color, and that is in the name Celebrity Skin. So I think I'm going to just go ahead and start applying both of those colors to our eyes. So I'm just going to go in with this basic eyeshadow brush right here, and then my go-to crease blending brush. we have those couple colors applied. Now I'm going to go ahead and with some more neutral brown and tan colors to kind of build up our crease and add some dimension. So I think the two palettes that I'm leaning towards, the first one is this Nude Rose Nightfall eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics. I love this palette because it has so many like neutral natural shades, and you kind of get a mix of like lighter colors into darker colors. So I think this is, I'm gonna reach into one of these colors in this palette to apply next into our crease, and then the other palette that I'm leaning towards is this Aladdin palette from MAC Cosmetics. Again, this is another natural eyeshadow palette or quad, whatever you would like to call it, and I think I'm gonna go in with maybe like these like darker shades just for like the outer corner of our eye, and then just kind of blend that in with the rest of the crease colors. And then I can also go ahead and apply these colors onto our lower lash line and just kind of smoke it out that way. So I'm going to go in with my tapered blending brushes. We have this bigger one right here and then this little bit smaller one. I absolutely love these eyeshadow brushes to apply crease colors into like my crease and into my outer corner. They are so easy to work with, and I just love how they make my eyeshadows look. So those are the two brushes I'm going to go in with. And then I think the brown shades that I'm going to go in with from the Nude Rose palette is probably one of these two shades right here. I'll probably start with this color right here, and then if I need to, I'll go in with this color. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I know what you may be thinking. We kind of did a little bit of a jump scene from halfway done eye makeup to basically fully done eye makeup. And if you follow me on Instagram, you kind of already know why. I accidentally deleted some of the footage from this video, but from talking to a bunch of you on Instagram, a lot of you just wanted me to upload the video as is. So I thought I would come on here real quick and first off, apologize for deleting that footage. I don't know what I was thinking. And second of all, just kind of explain what I did with the rest of my eye makeup that I accidentally deleted and you guys weren't able to see. So I did apply some false eyelashes and some mascara, the same mascara that I use in a bunch of my other Get Ready With Me videos. You guys have seen countless of times before. But for my lower lash line, all I did is I used the same eyeshadow colors that I used on our eyes. So the first color that I put on our lower lash line is that darkest color that we put in the outer corner on our lids from the Aladdin palette, and then I just blended it out with the brown color from the Nude Rose palette. So yeah, that's basically it. You guys didn't miss too much, but once again, I am very sorry that I deleted that footage. So now let's move on to the rest of this Get Ready With Me. Right, so the eyes are complete. I'm just going to quickly run through some of the products that I used. So for my mascara, I used this L'Oreal Unlimited mascara, and then I went ahead and did my brows using these 3 products. I went in with my CoverGirl pomade gel stuff. I went in with the powder side of this Brow This Way kit from Rimmel London, and then I just set it in place with this gel from CoverGirl. This is one of their Easy Breezy Brow gels, I guess you could say. And then the eyeliner that I went ahead and put in my waterline is this white eyeliner right here. This is by Wet n Wild, and this is one of their On Edge long wearing eye pencils. And then for my inner corner highlight, I went ahead with the shimmery shade that we put on the lids of our eyes. And then for the brow bone highlight, I went in with the Aladdin palette again from MAC, and I used this like white shimmery color up here. Which I might go ahead and touch up just a little bit since we went ahead and did our brows. I feel like we lost a little bit of pigmentation, so I'll go ahead and just kind of touch that up a little bit. So yeah, I think we're kind of caught up on all the products that I use, so let's go ahead and do our face makeup. So of course I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. bronzing palette, which is this right here, and just kind of bronze up my face. I think even for my wedding day, I'm probably just going to bronze and not contour. I don't know, recently I haven't really been into contouring that much. I've really just been enjoying just kind of bronzing, and I feel like that makes it look a little bit more natural. Now for blush, I'm going to go in with this Nude Rose Sculpt and Glow contour highlight and blush palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to go in with this blush color right here. And then for highlight, I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight 6 color palette. And then I think I'm going to go in with this highlighter down here in the color or shade Glow. Right, and for lips, I grabbed a couple different options, which are these two right here. I have this one, which is in the shade Mannequin, and then this one in the shade Celebrity Skin. And like, I really don't know what shade to go with. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Mannequin, and then just to kind of draw from inspiration what I did in my most recent Get Ready With Me, which was using the Bloodlust eyeshadow palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. In that Get Ready With Me, I went ahead with the shade Mannequin, and then I think I put the lighter shade Skin Tight. Obviously, these are from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Sorry, I forgot to say that earlier. But I'm pretty sure, yeah, I did Mannequin and then Skin Tight in the middle, and then I outlined my lips with the BH Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Earth. I think I want to do that again, but instead of putting just Skin Tight in the middle, I'll just do Mannequin and then outline my lips. And then we'll see how that's looking. Alright, so that is what our lips are looking like, and my lips were just looking and feeling a bit dry, so I went ahead and just went in with the Shane Glosson lip gloss from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Shane Dawson collection. I just dabbed a little bit on like the centers of my lips, and then I just kind of blended it out with my finger. And yeah, now that the lips are done, this Get Ready With Me is complete. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you are new to this little wedding series that I have on my channel, I definitely have some other videos for you to check out, including follow me around videos, including me dress shopping, our engagement pictures. I have some DIY videos coming of like making my own bouquet and our wedding arch and a bunch of other things like that. So if you haven't seen any of those videos, I do have a playlist here on my channel. I will try to either like put it on the screen or link it down below, whatever's easier and whatever way I can figure out. Or you can always just go onto my main channel page and go to playlists. I believe my playlist is just called My Wedding, so you can go ahead and check all of those videos out there. But yeah, that's basically it. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.